Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna talk about Color Widgets app. So this is a free app which is quite popular right now because with iOS 14 update, and then you can install all these like super cool designed widgets. Um, so you can just customize it as you want. You can change different theme, font, background photo, different sizes, all that stuff, and then just set widget. So that's that, but then how do you add those widgets? Just tap and hold, and then you will see this like widgets, and then just search here color widgets, and then that's about that. Select the size and then just add widget, and that's it. That's your color widget, cool colorful widget which you have on iOS 14. Hope it was helpful.